Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to this new encounter. Um, I hope that you have been an excellent weekend. On today, we're going to learn a new topic. I hope that you can understand everything and you can participate to this class. So the new topic that we're going to learn is WH questions. When we use WH questions, we use it when we want to know some information that we don't know. The WH questions are who, was, what, which, when, where, how, or why. The structure for this WH question is question word, plus to be, plus pronoun, or noun, or adverb, and questions. So we have an example here. What are you doing? We see that we have the question word, to be, pronoun, and a verb. We have another example. Where is he? So let's see another example to understand how to use the W question. We use who for a person. So who is that guy? We use what if a thing or an action. What are you doing? We use when for time. So when is your birthday? We use where for places. Where is the school? Where is the police station? We use how for the way something is or the way something happened. How old are you? And we use why to know the reason for something. Why are you angry? So, to complete or to practice the learning for this WH question, we're going to do some activities. The first activity that we have to do is to practice the use of the WH question through online exercises that we have to resolve. So let's click on the link and we will have to resolve the exercises. So let's wait. So let's begin. So what color are your eyes? Each one have to answer this question. So each one have to participate for these answers and question. Where are my kids? Okay. One time we finish this activity, we can go to the second one, and where you have to create a flashcard with 2 questions for each WH question. That means that you have to create 2 for where, 2 for what, 2 for which, or for why. And then you have to share this question with your partner, and that's you can practice vocabulary and the WH question. For this activity, we have 15 minutes. Finally, for homework, don't worry, it's very easy. The students have to prepare an exposition about their favorite place, where explain why is their favorite, who is with them, where and how is the place, what makes this place special, and they have to create slides by PowerPoint to do this presentation. So I hope that you have enjoyed the class and see you the next class. Bye bye.